Right. Then 93, 24th question from the past paper, 1993. The distance s traveled by a vehicle during time t is given by the equation s equals a t squared 1 plus half bt squared is the equation. So what they ask is the dimensions of a and b. So easiest, I'll find b first. It doesn't matter which one we are finding first. So I'll find b first because it is easier to find. You have to remember that thing like a term in an equation, like this whole thing is a one term. This is a one term. A term is separated by a plus or minus sign or equal sign always. One term in an equation is separated by a plus sign or a minus sign or an equal sign. If they are like terms, they should have the same dimensions, meaning since this is separated by plus sign, this term and this term should have the same dimensions. So one dimensions of 1 is just 1, it's dimensionless. Half does not have dimensions, so I would neglect that. Then we have bt squared. Dimensions of bt squared is equal to 1. B, this is a time squared means dimensions of time t squared 1 over t squared, then it gets t minus 2. So this is dimensions of b, that is t minus 2. So once you find that, you can clearly see the answer should be the third one, because third one is the only thing that has a t minus 2 there. Third option. You don't have to further simplify anything or calculate anything, but for more certainty, I'll find a as well. Finding a is not necessary to do this MCQ, right? But I'll just find the a for you to practice that. So to find a, it's better to multiply inside the brackets. So you get at squared, and this becomes half a b t squared t4. Okay, so this is one equation. This also is equal to s. Then the dimensions of s and dimensions of this one also should have the same dimensions, meaning at squared should have the dimensions of s. A t squared dimensions t squared, s has dimensions l. Dimensions of a equals lt minus 2, which is a dimensions of acceleration, lt minus 2. So obviously the option for that is third one. You didn't have to do this calculation, right? By just finding b, you could have say the option should be third one. So that is how we would save the time if you are like very clever. This is just to show you how to find the dimensions of a. That is, step is not necessary to do this MCQ.